Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox and assemble your Feather electric wheelchair. Keep in mind, this is not an in-depth review, but I will put the specifications on the screen towards the very end of the video so you can pause and go through them at your own pace. I'm also going to put a hidden message somewhere on the screen towards the end. The first 50 people to spot it will get access to an exclusive discount code. Now, I highly recommend staying tuned for our next video because I'm going to show you how to use this power wheelchair in real life situations, how to load it into the trunk of a vehicle. It only weighs 33 pounds. It's really impressive. It performs well in various terrain types. Now, keep in mind, we have several other videos showing several other competing models. We have torture test videos, comparison videos, and a ton of educational resources on our channel. So make sure you subscribe so you get notified when the next video comes out. Now let's go ahead and get started. All you're going to need is something sharp to cut the pallet straps. It is going to show up with some yellow tie straps around the box. There's going to be some tape that you're going to want to carefully nick with something sharp and get the box open and start pulling out items. I decided to pull out the seat cover first, which also covers the backrest and the part that you sit on. We'll show you how that works next, but I do highly recommend reading the user manual in its entirety before operating the chair. That's very important. Now, what you're going to want to do is just, however you can, just pull it right out of the box. If you want to tilt it over and slide it off, you can do that too. I just picked it up because it is pretty lightweight and I'm capable of doing so, but there's many different ways to cut the box open if you need to. Just make sure you save the box in case you need to return it. Now, sandwiched in between the seat, you're going to find the 2 foot plates and a pair of anti-tip rollers. Okay, these are to prevent the chair from tipping over backwards when going up an incline, and we'll show you how to install all 4 pieces here that you're looking at on the screen shortly. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is raise up the grab bar on the back, which is actually the frame for the backrest, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull the 2 armrests away from each other to open up and unfold the power wheelchair. Now, there is a little twist grip on the grab bar on the back. You'll want to secure that in place. The joystick does come secured on the right-hand side, and we're going to now install the foot plates one at a time. It's very easy to do so. Just make the connection on the top first, slide it into the hole, and then it's just going to snap right into place. And that's it. There's really nothing to it. Same thing goes with the anti-tip rollers. There's not much to it. There's just a little push pin. You're going to want to go ahead and slide each of the anti-tip roller assemblies into the sleeve. Push down on that little silver button that I'm using my thumb with, and it's just going to slide right into place and pop into place on the left side and right side. Now, the battery pack is going to be disconnected, and it's just held on with a Velcro strap and some notches that slide into holes on the bracket that's located on the back side of the chair towards the right. Now, what's nice about this battery pack is it is TSA approved, airline friendly. It's got a battery meter and a charging port directly on the battery itself. Now, if you want to learn more about our top selling products, I want to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got discount codes and a ton of information about a company. To claim a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top right-hand corner of the page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing now, and you'll get one in the mail within 5 to 10 business days. You could also call the number below. Speak with our non-commissioned, friendly sales staff. They're not pushy. We're A-rated with the BBB. We're a licensed medical equipment dealer based out of South Florida, and we'd love to earn your business. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer them and process that catalog request for you by phone. By the way, part of every sale at Mobility Direct goes towards funding our mission to give back to the disabled community. We often give away mobility scooters and power wheelchairs to veterans, amputees, or individuals that are just struggling to get around and they can't afford a mobility device. We show up oftentimes with the cameras rolling and we give them a free mobility device. The reactions we get are priceless. If you want to see those videos, I'll put the link to our giveaway playlist at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now let's get back to it. So what I'm doing now is taking the charger out of the box. You have to charge your battery overnight before using it. That's going to allow the battery to kind of get out of sleep mode. These batteries have been in warehouses for a while in transit. So go ahead and plug your charger into the battery itself and charge it 8 hours so that it's fully charged and ready to go. Then just go ahead and mount the battery back into the bracket and secure it with that Velcro strap, which is pretty crude, but it works well. Now, keep in mind, you can also charge the battery using the charging port underneath the joystick. Either one will work. So now I'm just going to unbuckle the seatbelt, which does come included for free, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat cushion and backrest cushion over the top. There's just some Velcro on the top part that you fold over the back part of the backrest, and it just Velcros into place. Same thing with the bottom part where the seat is. There's just a little lip on the front side of the seat that you fold underneath the seat, and it straps in with the Velcro. Now I do want to show you that this chair does have a width adjustable seat belt and flip back armrests, which are very convenient when you're getting in and out of the chair. It makes a lot more room for you. Now when you're folding the chair, you don't have to take the seat cushion off, but it does make it a little bit easier, so I like to do that. And then just release the backrest bar so that it breaks in half, flip up the foot plates, and grab the two handles on the left and right side of the seat to fold it into place. You can then fold down the backrest brace bar and it becomes a very compact shape. You could also remove the foot plates to make it even more compact if you're limited on space in your vehicle when you're transporting it. Very easy to fold, very easy to use. There's that little twist grip lock on the frame of the grab bar. And that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. It's really easy. Now, I really recommend that you stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna show you how this chair performs on various terrain types. Do a torture test, if you will, on various terrain types. You're gonna learn a ton about the chair. This, again, is for people who are ordering it online and wanna know what the unboxing and assembly process is like. That's it. Now, I am gonna put the specifications on the screen now. Pay attention for that hidden message. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. We will reply within 1 business day. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, have a great day.